Welcome to today's lesson, and today we are going to learn about the model town board. My name is Perez, your driving instructor. First, I would like to urge you to subscribe to our channel so as to continue getting more of our content. So I have split this lesson into two parts. So in the first part, we will look at the main features of the model town board, among them the types of traffic roads on the model town board and the roundabout. Then in the second part, we will cover the parking zones, the rules of the model town board, and the directions taken by the vehicle on each lane of the road when approaching the roundabout. The model town board is an example of a road network on a board. It is a simplified representation used to explain the types of roads found in major towns of Kenya and East Africa. Now, the model town board has several features. These features are 1. One-way traffic road, 2. Two-way traffic road, 3. The roundabout, 4. Parking zones, 5. Yellow curbs, 6. Pedestrian crossing, 7. The stop sign, 8. Giveaway sign, 9. Exit from the main road, entry into the main road, 10. Exit from controlled parking zone or entry into controlled parking zone, and 11. Road markings, e.g. directional arrows, reflectors, and others. One-way traffic road, also simply called the dual carriageway. This is a road where all traffic vehicles move in one direction. A road with white continuous or broken lines dividing the lanes into equal parts. A white continuous line means no changing lanes or overtaking. A white dotted or broken line means you can overtake or change lanes if the road is clear and safe. Land or field refers to the green part on the left side of the road. A yellow marking protects the field. Now, this yellow marking is also known as the yellow curb. Yellow curb means no overlapping, no parking, no waiting, and also no stopping. The central reserve separates one-way traffic road. In between the central reserve, there is an exit from the main road or a U-turn. A double yellow line depicts no changing of lanes, and it appears on a two-way traffic road with more than one lane, as shown below. Two-way traffic road single carriageway. This is a road where vehicles move in opposite direction, and it's a road with a single continuous or broken yellow line at the center, dividing the road into two equal parts. The yellow continuous line means you stick to your side or no overtaking at all, while the yellow broken line means you can overtake if the road is clear. Now, on a single carriageway, all drivers need to obey the rules of the road in Kenya. That is, keep left unless you are overtaking. There is a safe and marked area on the road known as a pedestrian crossing, where the driver needs to slow down and stop so as to enable pedestrians to cross from one side of the road to the other. The third one is the roundabout. This is a meeting point of the traffic where more than two roads meet at a point. The function of a roundabout is to facilitate the movement of vehicles in different directions without any obstruction or collision. There are some simple rules of the roundabout. Number 1, no stopping. 2. No changing lanes. 3. No parking. 4. No overtaking. And 5. No waiting. The roundabout is divided into 3 parts. The first part is called the traffic island. This is a green part at the center of the roundabout used to control the movement of the vehicles. The second part is the innermost lane, that is lane 4. It is the only lane that allows the driver to go round and make a full circle or a 360-degree angle from a 4-lane road. The innermost lane is the only lane where a driver or rider is allowed to make a 270-degree angle from a 3-lane road. The third part of a roundabout is the space, that is lane 3, 2, and 1. Drivers on these lanes are not allowed to make a full circle or a 360-degree angle. You are required to keep left and move in a clockwise direction on the roundabout. Now, lanes are normally counted or numbered from the outermost lane to the innermost lane. However, there are some common mistakes made when drivers are approaching the roundabout. The first one is approaching the roundabout in a wrong lane. The second one is leaving or exiting the roundabout in the wrong lane. The third one is changing lanes on the roundabout. And the fourth one is incorrectly observing the traffic lights. So, after talking about the common mistakes that drivers make at the roundabout, please remember, just make sure you do the right thing, otherwise you might end up breaking the law or causing an accident. Thank you for listening, and remember to support our channel Kobi Malaki on YouTube. But don't go yet. Just before I leave, I'm going to leave you with a short video quiz. Please point out the mistakes made by the driver in the next video. Bye!